All right, we're back out here at Fowler Park. Gerardo and I doing a test with the Developer Mini over there. We did a test last time where we were able to hold a position using the LiDAR, time-of-flight TeraRanger sensor, as well as the HereFlow Optical Flow sensor. Now we're going to test both of those sensors out, but with the GPS physically disconnected. So there's, technically speaking, a GPS unit in that Developer Mini, but it's physically disconnected. Is that correct?
Yeah, that is correct. So yeah, this is kind of a multi-part series. Now we're going to be testing it, like you mentioned, without the GPS. Could fly away. So
we had the best pilot on the case.
In the case that you're going to start off in loiter, in the case that it starts going anywhere, hit that third button. We're going to try and put it back into a land mode and then try and land it from there, if it does seem like it's just going to go off.
All right.
Motors armed.
Arming in loiter mode without GPS, that just feels so wrong.
And just go up 10 feet. Go up 10 feet and just leave it there for a second and see if we're going to get a lot of drift.
I mean, already there, that's pretty incredible, just seeing.
Okay, so yeah, we're getting no drift. That's pretty good.
No Tokyo drift.
Now, also remember, so if you go too high and hit the ceiling, we're going to hit the maximum of what our rangefinder is able to use. So
now, this TeraRanger is pretty well spec'd, right? Do you remember what the supported range is?
I want to say somewhere in between 200 and 300 feet.
Yeah, I was about
so
to say.
Yeah, we should have more than enough, but...
This is incredible to see, no GPS. Again, you should be able to see that here down on Mission Planner. GPS, no GPS, connected to 0 satellites. On my screen here as well, no GPS. Now, we do have red lights, but we still have plenty of battery life.
What's the voltage on the controller?
It says 13.8, but again, it's not really accounting for the voltage sag. So we still probably have another solid 10, 12 minutes or more.
Well, I mean, yeah, as far as testing, this is really what I wanted to see, just make sure it wasn't going to go fly away.
This is really incredible, I mean, to me. I mean, it's fairly rudimentary just seeing a drone flying and hovering, as like people have seen drones flying and hovering, you know, countlessly over the last decade. But yeah.
Looks like we got a couple fans.
Yeah.
Hey guys, just be a little careful getting close to it.
Oh, it's coming right for you! Oh, no! The drone wars have begun.
Just be careful getting around those props.
You guys are gonna ask for one of these Developer Mini for next Christmas, right? If you're, good, Santa will maybe bring you one, right?
How much does this cost?
So we sell these for $999 with the case, with the controller, so the battery and battery charger. So $1,000.
Oh.
Now, if you wanted to build one yourself, you could build it for about $400. So you could save like, $600 whole dollars.
How much would the pieces cost? If we didn't have the pieces, how much would they cost?
So all of the pieces are about $350, not counting the battery. And then you add on the battery, it's another like $50, $60. And then this controller is like $100. But actually with our software, you can just use any game controller, just plugged into your computer or your phone.
PS5? So what type?
We literally have a PS5 controller that we use to fly this drone all the time.
Is it like, does it need like a special battery, or could you like use like AA's, AAA's?
So they do need a special type of battery, but there's cheaper versions or more affordable versions of the battery we use. Ours will just get this Developer Mini, is the name of the drone, a little over 30 minutes of flight time. But if you don't need that much flight time, you can get like a $20, $30 battery.
I wanted to ask you, like, so you're like a person that sells drones? Stuff in your hand.
Yeah, it's almost like a drone was coming after you. You had to take evasive maneuvers.
It's like a Sonic the Hedgehog, like drone from Mega Man.
Yeah, well,
Those robots.
Yeah, I think we're gonna, by the time that you guys are our age, there's gonna be more drones and robots out in the streets, out in public, than I think there will be people.
Like in Los Angeles, those little food delivery.
I think those are homeless people.
No, he's talking about the delivery drones. Yeah, it's really smart.
And
yeah, you see
down
them.
in Atlanta, there's like delivery robots as well, but
like delivery robot cars.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
think it'll make more sense for like your household, right? At your house, you have your own drone and you send it out to the local fast food restaurant, the local retail store, the local store. So whenever you want something, if you guys have heard of curbside pickup, instead of you driving to go pick up your item, you just send your own family's drone to go pick up the item. So you never even have to leave the house if you don't want to.
I have like a little drone. And there's like a few auto cars like that drive by themselves.
Yeah,
Well,
like Tesla's one. Yeah.
If you go over to China, there's actually scaled up drones, much larger drones they call passenger drones. So if you have $350,000, only $349,000 more dollars than a Develop Air Mini, you could actually get in a drone, you and another person with a couple of suitcases, and actually just fly from location to location yourself. So that's what we're working towards, but we need to get more people used to the idea of using drones of this size and a little bit larger before that becomes more possible or popular.
Why do you sell this drone for more than the usual? Because the usual usually costs like $350 something.
So some drones are even like $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. These drones are more like those kind of enterprise drones as far as being able to fly themselves, attach different sorts of payloads to them, but we're trying to make it more accessible like those $300-$400 drones that are essentially just toys. Oftentimes they'll come with a camera on them, but they're like flying cameras, where we're looking at these more of utilitarian vehicles, right? So you can attach cameras to them, but you can also attach cargo. Yeah, that is an electric bike. Yeah.
Are you selling electric bikes?
No, not yet. Yeah, so let us wrap up this video. As you can see, we got a couple new fans who are definitely going to subscribe to our YouTube channel, just like all of you. But that's it here for showcasing the future of American drones on the iVue Robotics YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Peace, and we'll see you in the next one.
If you guys
or
want
you'll see us in the next one.
If you guys want to check it out,